Alright, I've got a Genie Silentmax 1000 that I've converted to run on the right side of this garage door. Now this unit has 3 different speed settings. I have it on the medium setting going up and then the slow setting going down. Those obviously can be changed. I got 2 of these close confirm remotes. One has a clip, the other one does not. Here's the other one. I've also got a keypad to go along with this one, and I've got just the regular wall console that comes with it, and then I've got the regular photo eyes that go with this one too, the new style. And I'll go ahead and run this for you. You can see how smooth and quiet it runs. Now, as you can see, this is extremely smooth and quiet. The garage door actually makes more noise than the opener. I've got this mounted on a 9x7 garage door. This has digital limits with it as well, so you can program this to any height of a garage door. I've actually put one of these on a 16x12 shop door, and I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can watch that one as well. And it ran it no problem. This is a 3/4 horsepower motor, and so it's pretty strong. So if you got any questions, just go ahead and send them to me.